Welcome to a world of adventure, discovery, and inspiration. Are you ready to explore the unknown, uncover hidden gems, and create memories that last a lifetime? Whether you're an experienced globetrotter or a first-time explorer, Grona Travelling is your ultimate companion. We'll be diving into essential travel tips that can make your journeys smoother than ever before. Plus, we're spicing it up with camping hacks that'll turn you into a pro outdoor enthusiast. But that's not all. Prepare to unlock a world of knowledge with life hacks that'll elevate your everyday experiences. And guess what? We're not stopping there. Get ready to indulge in thrilling sports that'll get your adrenaline pumping. And for all you foodies out there, we're bringing you cooking adventures from around the globe. From sizzling street food to gourmet delights, we'll explore cultures through their cuisine. So, whether you're seeking wanderlust, adventure, or simply a fresh perspective, Grona Travelling is your ticket to a world of excitement. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of explorers. Together, we'll embrace the unknown, one journey at a time. Grona Travelling, where every destination is a new beginning.